Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Astra theme mobile-friendly. Achieving a truly responsive website is crucial for today's digital landscape. Astra provides powerful, integrated tools to ensure your site looks fantastic and functions perfectly across all devices. We will explore how to leverage these features to create an optimal viewing experience for every visitor, enhancing both user satisfaction and your site's overall performance. The WordPress Customizer is your central hub for mobile optimization within Astra. Navigate to the Customizer and utilize the responsive icons at the bottom to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This allows you to fine-tune elements like typography, spacing, and column layouts specifically for smaller screens. You can set different font sizes, line heights, and padding values to ensure readability and proper element alignment on every device. Optimizing your content and images is vital for a fast and friendly mobile experience. Always compress images before uploading them to reduce file size, aiming for a balance between quality and speed. Astra automatically handles responsive image display, serving appropriate sizes based on the user's device. Additionally, break up large blocks of text into shorter paragraphs and use clear headings to improve readability on smaller phone screens. Thorough testing is the final, crucial step. Always test your Astra-powered website on a variety of actual mobile devices and browsers to catch any unexpected issues. Utilize online tools like Google's mobile-friendly test to get an objective assessment and identify areas for improvement. Remember, a truly mobile-friendly site loads quickly, offers easy navigation with large, tappable elements, and provides a seamless experience for all users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.